Now, what is heat capacity? It is the amount of heat required to increase the temperature by 1 degree centigrade for a certain amount of substance. The amount of heat required, the amount of heat required to increase the temperature by 1 degree C for a certain amount of substance. Now, it is an extensive property. This one we have to remember. It is an extensive property, very important, and it is denoted by, say, if dq amount of heat is required to increase the temperature by dt. If dq amount of, this is very small amount of heat required need to increase the temperature, mathematically it is the mathematical, okay, increase the temperature dt, then C equal, which is denoted, which is the heat capacity dq by dt. Okay, now we can classify the heat capacity on the basis of the mass of a substance and the amount of and the heat absorbed. So we have to learn the classification of the heat capacity. So we can classify the heat capacity. We can classify the heat capacity first by mass, on the basis of mass, and by heat absorbed. So by mass, heat capacity are two types. One is specific heat capacity, number two is molar heat capacity. Molar heat capacity, and here by heat absorbed, heat capacity are two types. One is Cp, that means heat capacity at constant P, and heat capacity at constant